Hello friends, a warm welcome from Aussizz Group. I'm Malcolm, your PTE coach, and today I have with me Harshini. So friends, if you remember, we had a free masterclass long time back, and Harshini was one of the lucky few who attended the masterclass. Just 2 weeks back, she had a test. She got a desired score. She has a score of 85 overall. In speaking, she has a score of 90. In writing, she has a score of 82. In reading, she has a score of 81. And finally, in listening, she has a score of 86. And that's how the overall score of 85. So Harshini, if you could just introduce yourself to our viewers, please.
Hi friends, my name is Harshini and I'm a mechanical engineer working full-time, and I have taken my PTE exam recently before a couple of weeks, and I got an overall score of 85. And I have attended my free masterclass before and it was very helpful.
So Harshini, since you attended the class, in which way did it help you for the actual test, if you could just share?
As I'm a full-time working, I don't find time to attend my coaching, so I thought like attend a masterclass which Malcolm will be providing all the tips and tricks for each and every module in like 5 hours time, and he asked us to practice as well. So what I thought, like just give it a try, and I find it really helpful to have an overall idea of every module and also to know what tips and tricks I need to follow in the exam as well. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Harshini, you also use the services of PTEtutorials.com.
Yep.
So in which way did it help you with the actual test?
It was really very similar to actual exam. It's
Right.
like a 3-hour exam, and
That's
it goes in a sequence that we do in exam.
That's
So I
right.
find it really helpful. I did all the practice tests like a couple of days, one test, and yeah, when I go for the real exam, it was really helpful.
Great.
I feel like I was doing a practice test there as well.
As friends, and Harshini has put in a lot of effort, rigorous effort she put in,
Yeah.
and finally she got a required score.
Yeah.
Now she's on 75 points, and hopefully in the next PR round she will definitely get her visa soon.
Yeah,
Let's hope for the
definitely.
best. And last but not the least, I would like to ask you, like, would you want to recommend Aussizz Group to our friends?
Definitely, if anyone like working full time, at least attend his masterclass and follow up with Malcolm. It definitely helps. Or if you have time, just come and take 2 weeks or 4 weeks depending upon your criteria. Definitely Malcolm will help you.
Thank
and in
you.
Malcolm's view, the only score you have is 90. It's not 79.
That's true.
Yeah, before, like, as you know, like I was not major difference. I was just 1 or 2
Yes.
marks lacking in all my scores.
Yes, yes.
So when you told 90, I aimed for 90 in last couple of attempts, and I think I got in my 5th attempt.
Yes.
Which is not bad.
This is not bad, it's excellent.
Yeah.
So friends, what are we waiting for? When we say it's a free masterclass, we stick to our words and we deliver what we promise.
Yeah.
And definitely even this Saturday, that is the 16th of December, we are having a free masterclass. So all those lucky ones who have already registered, many congratulations. But unfortunately we have run out of spaces now. But still, those of you who are coming, be sure you will have a fantastic experience and you will get your required scores. So once again, many congratulations, Harshini.
Thank you very much,
And as a
Malcolm.
small token of appreciation, we have a
Oh,
small
thank you
gift
very
for you
much.
as
Thank
well.
you.
Many congratulations to
Thanks,
you.
Malcolm. Thanks
So
a
friends,
lot.
don't wait. Think PTE, think Aussizz Group. And as Harshini correctly pointed out, in PTE there should be only one target score, which is of 1190s in your scorecard. So think PTE, think Aussizz. Thank you very much.